What is up, you guys? Okay, so today what we're gonna be doing is putting the car like back together for the most part. Last night my dad and I finished wrapping up the door, and it looks pretty clean, all except for this one tiny spot right here. So what we're gonna do is we're planning on like putting a quarter up against there and cutting the shape of a quarter out, and then I've just been like messing around over here, and then like this will fit right over that, and once it's like flush and stuff like that, you won't even really be able to notice it. So what I did is, my battery died for this camera, so I went on ahead and I started to go on and wrap a few parts. So what I've been doing is I have been redoing the door because it started to come up a little bit at the bottom, like well, it's not over here, but I've just been relaying that to make it smoother and cleaner. And after that, I'm gonna go on ahead and I wrapped this piece, so I'm gonna go on ahead, put it back on there, and then I'm probably gonna wrap that small little, I don't even know if that, like that piece right there, and then the whole driver door will be done. I'm gonna put the door panel back on. Then I'm probably gonna move on to the front bumper, and then get that all done. I don't know what these videos are gonna be like because I'm not really like ending them on days, because we end on like only wrapping one part and stuff like that. So it's sort of just gonna, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but it's all gonna work out in the end. So what we're gonna be doing today is start reconstructing the car. Austin's coming tomorrow. We're gonna finish up the rear bumper, and then we're gonna try and do the side skirts. And then today I might also try and do the A-pillar as well on the other side, and then that'll be all done. And after that, it's side skirts, rear bumper, hood, and then mirrors, and the car is completely done. So I am pretty stoked. But anyways, let's get in, and I'm going to start finishing up this door. I don't know if my camera was recording or not, but I went on ahead and put on the bottom trim piece. For some strange reason, this right here is completely messed up, and I don't have any clue as to why it did that. So I'm gonna go on through and I'm gonna fix this really quickly. So yep, I just got it. I just pulled it down a little bit and then pushed it back in. So now what I'm gonna try and wrap is I'm going to try and wrap this piece. And now that I have a heat gun, like an actual heat gun, this should be a little bit smoother. So let's see, I'll show you guys what it looks like after I get done doing it. Just got done, so I just got done wrapping this piece, and it looks pretty clean. It's amazing what a heat gun can do. So I was gonna do that to the other side, but it's getting kind of late. I want to get at least the front bumper back onto this piece here. So that's actually going to be what I do. So I'm gonna go on ahead, install my headlights, put those back in, and then put the front bumper back on the wheel well, and the mud cover flap thingy, and try and get it back on there. It shouldn't take too long, hopefully. I say that to everything, and it takes twice as long as I want it to. So let's go on ahead and get this started. So it took a little while, and I'm probably like filthy. I haven't even like seen myself, but it's on, and the whole under tray is on too, and it looks so good. My battery is gonna die pretty soon, but oh, I'm so happy that I got the bumper back on, and its fitment is okay. My dad was always like, it's gonna be super hard getting the fitment to be like completely perfect. Like here, it could be pushed out a little bit more, and then along the headlight and stuff like that. But hey, I am a-okay with it because I can't wait until this car's done. It looks so good. So what we're gonna be doing tomorrow, I'll probably make it into a new video. Austin and I are going to be doing the rear bumper. So that should be difficult and fun. We're gonna do another black inlay at the bottom like we did here. So I'm pretty stoked and can't wait for that. But my battery's about to die and I gotta get going. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a blessed day.